Yeah.
What? Ah, Nick! Oh gosh!
Okay guys, so we just set up the Swampzilla from Heroin Skateboards, and we're gonna test this thing out. So the first thing, my favorite thing in the whole universe. You ready, Robbie?
Yeah, let's see it. Egg roll.
First try. Do you see that?
What was that other one you were talking about? The little.
How good is that?
The one you did earlier.
I don't know.
Dude, it must be so satisfying. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. You know what I want to do though? That I don't know if it's possible. It's like a strawberry milkshake.
Oh!
Oh.
I think it would be an egg roll milkshake.
An egg roll milkshake? I wouldn't mind that. That'd be delicious, right?
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, that might be really hard.
I want.
You got tricks on this?
I want to try a pressure flip.
I love how he's like going to try.
Whoa.
And I just take it's madness over here in Brisbane today.
Oh, dude, you can totally pressure flip.
Yeah,
this.
100%.
Yeah.
I feel like the board seems like you can't do tricks. You can do every trick.
Oh.
It's funny, it's like, I want to do a game of skate on this. It's like, do we start out just skating it or the game of skate?
I don't know.
Let's skate it, let's skate it. Then
Okay.
we'll do a game of skate.
I want to try and kick flip.
Let me see it, let me see it. Okay, so
Yeah,
the board itself, I don't know, it's just like a normal board. Ow!
It's heavier than a normal board.
It is heavier and a little wider and a little beefier. That girl thick.
Yeah, I feel like transition might be easier for this versus like street flip tricks and ledges.
Yeah, see, sometimes I wonder, like,
Oh,
For a
that one's easy.
for a beginner skater, is this what they should use?
Maybe. Pressure flip, let's get it. Oh, you gotta really like,
You gotta really suck your feet up.
yeah, because that's like two skateboards that are like vertical when it's flipping.
It's true, so wait, it's 13 inches?
13.88
Oh, wow.
to be specific. Oh. That took a lot of effort. Oh, dude, that was good. What?
I literally don't know what happened. I just completely stopped. See the no comply? Wow! It's like so weird because it shouldn't work, but it works. Rock to fakie? Yeah.
Well, that's a rock and roll.
I can't rock to fakie. Get in there.
All right. I really would like to do an Andract on this. Ah! I'm sorry. The egg that got away.
It like won't roll over.
Yeah, you can't land primo, that's for sure. All right, drop in.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, yeah, I could see like transition on this board working really well.
It's 100% the way.
Yeah, but flip tricks are, do you think you can heel flip?
No. I think out of any trick, the one trick I absolutely could not do is heel flip.
What about a dragon flip? Can you dragon flip?
Oh, 100%. I don't know,
you
actually.
could totally do that.
I don't know.
There was like 10% effort there.
Well, I can barely heel flip a regular skateboard, so
Oh.
no. I don't know what happened the first time. I got weirdly lucky.
For Gabe Cruz.
Yeah.
We're gonna call that first try, but I know my foot was on the ground. First try. Here we go.
Yeah.
Okay. That was for Gabe. Gabe Cruz, you're the man. I like that. The nose.
I was gonna turn
Jam.
and then I couldn't.
There you go.
Get the board on there though.
There you go.
Oh wait, the ultimate test. Yep. Easy money. Should we go to the mini ramp?
Yeah. Let me. I want to try. I
Okay.
don't know what. What should I try on the bank to box?
Blunt stall.
Blunt stall to 180.
Airs.
Some
Yeah,
airs.
Airs and grind.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to do an Andract. I just don't know if I can actually pull
You
up.
can do that.
I think I got it. All right, all right. Oh, trucks are a little tight. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so. I keep forgetting how wide it is when I go to like step off.
How are you forgetting how wide it is?
I think it's just I'm not forgetting, but it's instinctually forgetting, I guess.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go for the Andrak full commit.
Yeah, get it.
Ah.
Just hold on to it.
Yeah.
Hard flip?
Hard flip? You got it.
No way.
Let's see a hard flip.
I don't know, that would be sick.
It surprisingly works. It just takes a lot more effort.
Yeah.
Which makes sense. The other thing that kind of throws me off is like I feel like looking at the nose it's shorter, but it's definitely like the nose and tail are pretty much just like a normal nose and tail.
Like kind of symmetrical, but not?
Well, like the length from like the top bolt to the tip. What do you think, Impossibles? Do you think Impossible works?
Yeah, do an impossible.
All right.
I do want to see a heel flip. I think you can heel flip.
Which one do you, all right, I'll go for the Impossible first.
Both, you can do both.
All right, I'll do both. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. That'll definitely work. Full commitment, let's go.
We should have played the game of skate first so he doesn't know what tricks he can do. Okay, okay.
Okay, heel flip, heel
Three
flip.
shove or impossible? Leave it in the comments below.
Dang it, you're calling me out. I think it wrapped.
I didn't, they did.
Whoa!
No way!
Try!
Woo!
Oh.
That was impressive.
Thanks, Aaron.
I'm gonna lie. You literally had your foot fully on the board.
I totally did.
Completely, like ollie position. Look at that. That was the heel flip position. That is the most disgusting.
I think the hardest thing about it is the fact that we don't have trucks that are big enough.
You think?
I think that would totally change like popping the board because
Yeah, you're probably right.
right now it's just tilting.
Yeah,
Is this how you kickflip?
yeah.
Oh, that's a hard one.
You can't kick flip it.
I can't. I got heel flip though. Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, let me get that nose slide.
Oh, doing a run. I bet backside big spin would feel pretty sick.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm wondering if because it's only 31 inches, that's about an inch, maybe an inch and a half shorter than most boards.
Is it?
I think most boards are like 31 and 7.5.
Yeah.
Here, let's see. Let's compare.
Oh, so it's a little bit shorter.
Yeah, what is that? About an inch and a quarter maybe.
Okay, so it's a little bit shorter than most boards.
And then the wheelbase obviously is shorter.
Yeah. You got the rail. Board slide?
Which one?
Anyone, really.
I don't know about this, dude.
Yeah.
Is Caveman okay?
Yeah. Caveman's okay.
That's like gnarly Caveman.
I
but-
feel like Caveman, I think that rail's easier, no?
Well, the bank to rail or down?
Either one.
Yeah, this is probably not the best rail to Caveman.
No.
But oh! Maybe check the rail.
That could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, I think
Could have been drastically worse.
Okay, maybe not. Let's do something else.
That rail. I
Yeah,
told you, this one's gnarly. This one's like an unskated.
A-frame rail. I don't think I'm gonna ollie onto it though. That's like feels a little scary.
That's what I thought too on the nose slide, and it worked really well. Or like the bump to bar, no?
Maybe the bump to bar. I'm gonna ollie out.
Oh,
I can't
come
get
on.
up there. All right, I think I got it. I don't know, dude. I don't know why that scares me.
I know, it is
I
scary.
feel like my foot's gonna come off the front of the board.
You definitely always so good though.
All right, full commitment on the next one.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, so what do we think? Leave it in the comments below. Would you guys skate this board? Would you skate it as your main board? Or would you just get it for like, oh, this board's cool, it's weird looking? Leave it in the comments below.
All right, here we go. Whoa!
He's got it. How many tries will the board slide take Robbie?
All right, here we go. I ruined my speed. You can take that out.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah! Yeah. What is that called?
Oh, it's called The Board Was Too Big and I Forgot Again. That's a backside boneless to tail.
Backside boneless to tail.
Yeah. What do you think? No slide down the box?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, I don't know why that's less scary than the rail.
Because there's, I don't know, it's just safer. Yeah.
What? Oh!
No way. It just rolled.
Can't do it
rolled
all.
over. Egg rolled.
All right, Aaron.
It's fun.
turn.
100% fun.
What's the hardest flat ground trick you think you could do
That I think I could do?
on that board?
Actually do?
Yeah, like actually. Not the like
Not like,
not the most impossible one. Ooh.
double flip. Double flip. Probably double
Double
flip.
egg roll.
Okay, right here. Double flip first try. No, maybe not. Maybe not
not
actually.
Oh.
Tray flip, right?
Yeah, I bet tray flip works. I feel like we should have watched his part to see like what tricks does he do on this board.
There's a lot of things I thought was gonna work better that don't, like tray flip or big spin. I'll take it.
Run it back, one more. Oh. That was a good one. Oh, oh! And then you gotta grab it while it's still egg rolling.
I mean, is it acceptable to do the mall grab on this? I think so. I think it's extra acceptable, right? You
Yeah.
gotta skate the mini ramp. You're mini ramp champ. Just sit in there? No way. No way. No way.
Oh, I just invented a new trick.
Yeah.
Oh, that one I think you could actually sit in.
Fakey Smith. Yeah. Yeah. What? That is so cool.
I kind of like this for like a mini ramp board.
I kind
Or
of like
like
it
a-
for everything skateboard.
Well, yeah. Mini ramp,
He's like
mini,
looking
but
at it. Well, yeah.
yeah, I couldn't argue with you there. But it definitely, like right away, felt more comfortable on the mini ramp.
Yeah?
Mhm.
I don't got anything on this mini ramp. It's terrifying me.
There you go.
No!
There you go.
No,
Putting
I
together a
so
solid
scary.
run right here. Oh,
And it will never chip because it'll just bounce back beyond its egg shape.
I don't think it chips. I think it breaks.
Give us a backside boneless run.
Back as many as I can do.
Yeah, in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're somehow getting better. 5, 6. I guess it can go all day. 7.
Ah,
8.
Derek! Oh gosh!
You nearly hit Derek.
That's scary. It like hopscotch between my legs on the way in. Hey, thanks.
I like this board.
Appreciate it. You want to try? Yeah, let's see a kickflip. Or just do an ollie. Just do an ollie.
Anything you want. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh. They're gonna kill it harder than we did.
I don't think it wouldn't be too hard, right?
No, well, we're old. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ollie actually works, I just didn't trust it.
Yeah, it does work.
That was my problem too. It's like,
You don't trust it, but it works.
Yeah, surprisingly well. Go ahead.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
what about the Tom Penny? Is that no Ollie Balala drop in?
What's that? No way. Do not.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
It might work because
No, that is not definitely not gonna work.
No, I don't think so. Egg rolling.
I'm on the nose. I can't skate on the nose.
Putting together a flawless run. Body varial, half cab rock and roll, tail slide, and a kickflip.
No, I won't.
That
Got
back
any other tricks?
disaster I saw him do was cool.
Yeah, it was sick.
There is one more I'd like to try.
Yeah, yeah, hit it.
This is my new favorite trick on a regular
Skateboard?
shaped skateboard, but I want to see if I can do it on this one.
What do you got?
First try.
First try.
I'm gonna surprise you.
I'm ready.
No, I'm not telling you. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, Smith to rock and roll.
Smith to rock and roll. You got that.
Can we just call it Smith to egg roll?
Yeah.
All right, Smith to egg roll.
Wow. That was sick. Okay. Yeah.
It's so heavy. That was actually pretty good.
So good. All right, well, this board is absolutely sick. If you guys are ever in Solvang, go to Solvang Skate Shop and pick it up. Thanks to Robbie for coming out here and shredding.
Yeah.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard.
And big shout out to Swampy. I love the shape of this board. Go check out his part on YouTube, Heroin Skateboards. Shout out Surf Connection for coming through with the board.
You.